Good morning, everybody. So it's 4:54 and we're about to make some high protein hot chocolate. I can't do coffee in the morning because the caffeine kind of hurts my stomach because of the Crohn's. So I figured out a way to add protein powder to a specific kind of hot chocolate. You see that? So I mix 1 and 2 different types of chocolate. It is extra delicious and I'm getting max caffeine out of the chocolate because it is 4:54 in the morning. Macadamia nut milk. I've been through every single kind of milk that exists. Rice milk, almond milk, regular whole vitamin D milk. For a while I was even doing water. And this stuff has been a godsend. I have no issues. There's no lactose intolerance. There's nothing. It just works. So I'm sticking with macadamia nut milk for right now. All right, there we go. That's the milk. And we're gonna be doing some of that into here. Boom, love, okay. Okay, so as an added bonus, because I've been working so hard for cardio, marshmallows. Let's put a little bit of these and make Brad happy in the morning. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of candy right there. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, so this is gonna be 24 grams of protein from whey isolate, which is gonna be the most pure form for what my needs are with the Crohn's. So I add 1 scoop of this stuff. Just get yourself a nice, easy scoop. Boom. And that is going into the cup where I'll be putting the delicious macadamia nut milk. All right. It's not often when you wake up and you have an enormous horse in your kitchen say, "Good morning, Maverick. What's happening, buddy? Hi. How you doing? You okay? So cute. I love you." Okay, we're getting our hot chocolate ready, buddy. How's it going over here? Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. All right, guys, we've heated up the macadamia nut milk. I am now adding some chocolate to this delicious, nutritious. Oh, come on, buddy, let's go. Heinz 57 ketchup, hit the side. Okay. Stir, stir, stir. And we are legit ready for this to be poured. Look at that, beautiful. On the money. Okay, so there you go. There is a typical morning, waking up at 4:30 and making my hot chocolate, protein hot chocolate. And just like that, from home to work, we good. All right, guys, delicious protein hot chocolate coming at you. Here we go. Made it. Cheers. Good morning.